In this short video, I'll guide you on how to connect your AirPods to any MacBook. While AirPods work seamlessly with Apple devices, connecting them to a MacBook may present some challenges. This guide will clarify the procedure. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Here's a simple way to connect your AirPods to your MacBook. First, ensure your AirPods are charged and placed inside the charging case. With the AirPods case lid open, find the Setup button on the back of the charging case. Press and hold this button for 15 seconds. This will set your AirPods to discoverable mode, signaled by a white flashing light on the front of the case. Then, head over to your MacBook and click on the Apple menu in the top left corner. Next, select System Settings and then click on Bluetooth, ensuring that the Bluetooth is turned on. Once the Bluetooth is turned on, all nearby discoverable devices, including your AirPods, will appear. Then, select the AirPods from the list of discovered devices and click Connect next to the name. Your AirPods should now be listed among the available devices on your MacBook, identified as AirPods, AirPods Pro, or AirPods Max. If you don't see the AirPods, check that they are inside the charging case, the case lid is open, and the white light on the case is blinking, indicating the discoverable mode. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with connecting your AirPods to MacBook. If your AirPods were previously paired with another device, they might reconnect to it. To avoid this, unpair them from that device first before following these steps. For instructions on resetting various AirPods generations, please click this card right here. To explore more Apple-related video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.